bad. Size 9s, you guys. Size 9s. Nice returns. Look at that. Jordan 10s. Look at the 10s. FIBA 4s. Size 10s. Going for 200. Retail. Get that 20. Mellow M9s. Pegasus 35. This might be the deal of the day. What's going on, YouTube viewers? This is your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are out near downtown Los Angeles at the Citadel outlets. Yeah, let's check out this Nike outlet, guys. Let's see what sales I got you guys. It's what, 10. We just opened up, 30 minutes ago? So yeah, let's see if we can get some of that heat, you guys. Some of that heat. Okay. Size, in the size 10 area, but look. Yeah. Not bad. Size 9s, you guys. Size 9s. Going for retail. Going for retail. Get that 20% off. Apparently everything, all the hash was 20% off. That's not bad. Oh, look right next door to that. That's some nice returns. That's some nice returns. Look at that. Jordan 10s. Look at the 10s. Not bad. Yeah, going for retail. Still get 20% off. Oh, and I did forget to mention what these are. Obviously, these are the Jordan 3 Knicks colorway. Yeah, not bad. First time seeing both of those at the outlets. Back in size 10, 10.5. Got the Durants. What colorway that is? Royal, white, royal, something. Oh, I keep forgetting to talk about the price. Yeah, these bad boys are going for retail. 20% off. FIBA 4s. Size 10s. Going for 200. Retail. Get that 20. Oh, look underneath as well. These are 6s. Reflective 6s. We've seen those. We've seen those on sale. So I got the Air Force Max for $80. It's a great color. I actually like that color. Not bad. Extra 20% off. We got a few of those. Okay. Dang, I guess the resellers be hitting this place up because this place got some heat. Got some heat. First time I've actually came here right when it opens. Go for 90. It's a little pricey. That is a newer colorway though. The newer colorway though. With the elements, not bad. Alright, 129. Let's go for. These are the up-tempos, right? The Scottie Pippins. Maybe not this colorway, but yeah. Go for 129. Get that 20% off. See what these Pochos going for, man. They selling these for retail. We've seen these on sale at Champs. Under that, yeah. So they're going for retail, 20% off. Seems a little bit high. Okay, I think we're at 8.5. Okay, with the Alpha Dunks. Going for retail. But they got that 20% off today though, so not bad. Box a little torn up. Yeah. I don't know how you tear up the box like that, though. Vapor Max flying up these, man. They got a bunch of stuff on retail. That's a dope colorway. That is a dope colorway. Look at that, man. That's dope. That is fly, guys. Too much though. Oh, look. Oh, this is no Kobe 4 Approachers. What the heck? Some Mamba Rages. I have no clue what those are going for. Yeah, we're gonna throw that back. One size 11. They got a bunch of those hydros. They go for under 20. 20. Get that 20% off on top of that. Holy crap. No resale though. So apparently they still do got resellers here. These are the Tangerines going for $30. Tangerines going for $30. I wonder if it's an extra 20% off or something. It's like they got the Black History Month version of the KOs. No, these are the Jordan 2. So you didn't even know price yet because there's no way that's $59.99. Yeah. They got such a plethora of them Saturns, man. All kinds of Saturns. Look at that, man. You guys don't know what the Saturns are? Those are those crazy, what are they, like motorcycle boots or spacewalkers? I don't know. Those are crazy though. They was going for 200 when they first came out. Let me see. 90 bucks. Extra 20% off on top of that. See, but this, look at this. This is dope. Oh, this is a small size. I don't even know what size it is. Some Air Force Ones. Got some satin in the back. What these hitting for? Man, we'll go for retail. Size 6.5, going for retail. Smaller sizes, size 7. These are pretty clean. Air Max 1s. Going for what? Going for 99. Apparently that one's going for retail, but that one's 99. Alright, let's check out the bigger sizes for your bigger feet people. What's this right here? I've never seen these before. What the heck? Oh, these are size 16s. These are huge. CJ81. What is this? What is this, Calvin Johnson? I don't know if you guys know who that is. CJ81. And for 89. Get that 20 off though. Okay, some Air Max 1s. We just saw these in the super small sizes. 80 bucks. Alright, get that 20 off too. Zoom Tiger 5s. 90 bucks, okay. Alright, for size 12, we got them chlorophylls. You guys. 100 bucks. Damn, these are that high? Oh my goodness. This is nostalgias. Size 12 nostalgias. And I got mine for 100 bucks. 100 bucks. Damn, that's crazy. This was a size 15, you guys. Size 15. The Michigans. Go for retail. Get that 20 off though. 20%. Oh, okay. So bad. Size 17, so like that. Retro snakeskin navies. Okay. Not bad. Go for retail though. Get that 20. Wow. What the hell? Are these some? Oh. What? Oh, I thought these. Oh, my bad. I'm tripping out. I thought these were the LeBrons. What the hell? I thought these were some LeBron 10s or something. I've never seen these. What the fuck are these? Tripping out. Spike 40 PE. Jordan Spike 40 PE. Apparently, I don't know what it's going for, but it's crazy. It's like that gel stuff is super reflective, and you can't even see it. And live, man, that stuff is super reflective. You can't even see it on camera. That's interesting. I've never even seen these, you guys. Never even seen them. They got heat. Look at this. Jordan Mellow M9s. All right, let's try that. Mellow M9s. This is his 9th signature Jordan shoe or something. Got that weird, okay. Exposed Zoom Air. You guys know that's the best cushioning for basketball. I've never even seen these. So for 140. 140. It's interesting. Some Darwins. 75 size 13. KOs, these bad boys go for 80 apparently. Let's check out the little Jordan section, the Proto Max 720s. Okay. I don't know how these are so high. Damn, these are almost retail. Yeah. I got 3 different Legacy 312s, go for 79. Oh, that's interesting. Weren't these originally sold out on the sneakers app? And they're gonna have all these sizes? That's crazy. Crazy. I don't know how Jordan be doing us like that. Okay, look at this material. This is like all, is that like all nylon or something? This is, wow, it's like a synthetic material. That's interesting. Yeah, Jordan 1. Is it Jordan 1 BC OG BCFC? I don't know what the hell that is. 110. Another 312, but this is a low version, 90 bucks. This might be the cheapest I've ever seen the PG3s. This is just the all black colorway, little hits of gray. Yeah, that's totally the cheapest I've ever seen it. 80 bucks, 20% off on top of that. So $16 off, so what is that, 64 bucks? $64, damn, that's the cheapest I've ever seen these, damn. They got a full size one too, 7 all the way to, oh wait, not the huge sizes. They don't like you big footers apparently. 7 to 10. It's messed up, man, it's messed up. This is the cheapest I've ever seen, the white lavas. LeBron 16 white lavas. 20% off. We've seen these cheaper, but that's still a solid deal. Well, we've seen these cheaper at Shoe Palace for 100. But they're probably sold out at Shoe Palace now. Flytrap. The Kyrie Flytrap Dew colorway. Yeah, it's the cheapest I've seen these. Hyper Dunk lows. Damn, man, these are normally 120. They're only going for 90. Damn, dude. This doesn't seem like that much of a deal. Got the SBs. Nobody's ever requested me to go look at all the SBs, so I'm gonna kind of hurry through those. Air Max 2017s, 130. 130 for these Air Max 2017s as well. That seems a little bit high. I don't know, I think I've seen these for cheaper. 100 bucks. These got the cool ass box too. These got the different box and stuff. As opposed to these, which got the regular box and stuff. Yeah, both 100 bucks though. Not bad. Seen them cheaper at the clearance center, I think. That's still a good deal. In the women's section, looking for deals. Looking for shoes and run boxes. Look at these. The Air Force One Gestures. Oh, interesting. 60 bucks, get that 20% off. Yeah, these Air Max going for high, man. 170. Dope colorway, a little. Got that orange on it, but still, yeah, it's kind of pricey. Okay, 135. All right, not bad. These are dope. 129. 129. Oh, it's like a floral print. What is that? Yeah, we get that 20% off though. Not bad. Not bad. Pegasus 35. This might be the deal of the day, dude. This is 60 bucks. $12 off. Get it for what? 48 bucks. Damn, that's amazing. Amazing. Full size one too. 7 all the way to 12. That's crazy. Oh man, this one's trying to outdo that one. I'll just see it react. Damn, this going for what? 40, 44 or something? Damn. These bad boys going from what? 8.5 to 11. 8.5 to 11. That's legit. What is this? I'm curious what this is. Oh, it's got a weird box too. Yeah. Crazy. Yeah, got the foam posits. The flowers on it. Yeah, black with flowers. 139. You know, these are one of the Nike's most expensive shoes. Usually go for 225. Damn. That's what's up. 720. Got that crazy color on. 90 bucks. They got these in the men's section, and why do this colorway look way better than any of the guys for the Air Max Torch 4s? I'm tripping out. That's weird. The guys' ones are so ugly. These are nice. Nice budget option. Air Max Okito? Never heard of those. Damn, look at that. Brazil jerseys. And on top of that, you get an extra 30% off. Holy crap. Like $31 for a Brazil jersey. Women's Brazil jersey. With retail supposedly like 110. Damn. I don't have time to do any reselling because I need to hurry today, but damn, that might be a resale cop right there. Saw some SC jerseys. I thought they was gonna be on clearance, but nope, 100 bucks. Time to move on. So they got 20 to 40% off a lot of the apparel, you guys. A lot of the apparel. But I kind of gotta keep it moving because I'm kind of on a time crunch. All right, so that's the Nike outlet, guys. The Citadel. That is the Citadel, which is the one of the closest ones to downtown LA. One of the most packed Nike outlets as well. So yeah, if you guys like these type of videos, go ahead, make sure you guys subscribe, make sure you like this video, make sure you let me know if I missed out on some deals. Let me know what your favorite deal was, because there were some decent deals, man, there were, but yeah, I just didn't find anything hot enough for me to cop. Yeah, go ahead, make sure you press that like button, make sure you show some support. I throw out so many videos a week, usually 6-7 videos every week. I try to post daily. I'm trying to grow the channel, I'm trying to show you guys some content, show you guys some deal, and entertain you guys pretty much. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna hit out some other outlets now. So yeah, catch some other videos too. Until then, peace.